Market is about to open, guys. Let's see. Tesla is seeing some good big buyers near 406. So if we get a breakdown of that, just froze. Yeah, Tesla looks a bit bearish, obviously. RVOL is very low. That is what's concerning me. So I got a comment. How do you see the RVOL? I see it here on Dash Trader Pro, and it's on my watch list as well. So on this watch list, I have a column called RVOL. That's how I see the RVOL. Yeah, Tesla was a nice retest of S4 for shorts. Okay. Definitely not clean because of the RVOL. Anyone caught Tesla? I did not take it because my bookmap is also lagging now, lagging by 12 seconds. So yeah, there's something going on with bookmap. Delayed for 5 seconds. Yeah, we might just close above S4 on this 5 minutes. If you took a scalp, that was decent. I want to see what happens near S4 now. Yeah, we might even reject, but I just don't trust this RVOL on this stock at the moment. RVOL is very low. It was like 59%. At the moment, it's 61%. Contracts, they moved. I saw like the 400 puts from $4 to like higher 4.8. So it was like a 20-25% trade. Yeah, let's see if the volume gets better. Like it's going for 400, but what is this volume? Yeah, okay. This 5 minutes looks like it's gonna close bearish. That retest of S4 was also decent, but it's just like the confidence and execution is really low because of the volume. Usually on big red bars, we see high volume, right? That is the normal daily chart price action of any stock. Usually. With this RVOL, it's not going to have a high volume on the daily chart, right? Especially when the stock goes towards the downside, I want the volume to be high. Panic is always a stronger emotion than confidence. And if we sell off with this volume, it just makes me a bit more antsy to short it. We still have 400. Let's see. Yeah, it wants to close above S4. Yep. Yeah, looks like it's gonna go for high of the day. Is it a decent trade to take? Maybe for a small scalping opportunity. But yeah, this 5 minutes looks like it's gonna close above S4. It closed barely under S4, the 5 minutes, but it closed under S4. Yeah, Tesla is now slowly getting the volume. Let's see. If Tesla breaks, it broke low of the day already. We don't want, like, we want it to break down under S6 is like around $1.5 away. So that's not what we want. Who wants to catch a $1.5 move on Tesla? Tesla is also near this trend line. If you look at the 1 hour chart, and you will see that on the daily chart as well. If you join the prior two lows, it's right near this trend line. So let's see. I definitely want the volume to kick in. I tried taking it long for that S4 hold, did not work out. Small size, red for the day as of now. But I'm also not inclined to taking it towards a downside for now. Not very convincing. When Tesla tried to get okay, Tesla tried long, got stopped out. Yeah, it's just following QQQ at the moment. But downside also looks really sus at the moment. We can also see that from the 5 minute chart. The RVOL is also low, so not very tempting. Nothing else is also decent. MU just broke down. AMD is garbage. NVIDIA is also dropping. It's not dropping. I mean, if you call that price action dropping. Tesla barcode. Yeah, I took it again for upside. Lost three tries on upside, all three losers. I might actually call it now. Sizing was small, so not a big loss, but I'm only gonna be inclined towards trading it now if we actually close bearish or bullish on the 5 minute chart. It's freaking crazy price action, and even if you hold on to your loser for like 10 more seconds than you're supposed to, you get fucked. Like on this candle, if you're in calls position, too bad. I was, then I exited right before the flush. But yeah, I think something crazy needs to happen now for me to even be bothered taking another position. So I actually forgot. I put a tight stop. I mean, hard stop loss with the broker at $2,000. So you guys saw I can't place any more trades. So I'm done. I forgot about it. I was like, I can. Yeah, it looks good for upside. But yeah, I have reached my hard stop loss. So that is actually good. So if I cross $2,000, I can't place any more trades. You guys just saw that in practice. I can't place any more trades. I can't. So that is pretty nice actually. So yeah, for me, I'm done. I think it's gonna be a short recap. Done for the day. I can't place any more trades. I actually, it's a good thing that I can't place any more trades because this would have been a loss again. Right. So this is there for a reason, and that was one of the reasons for me to move to this broker as well, so that you can have a hard stop loss. I'm gonna change it to most likely $5,000 later. New broker, so just wanted to keep it small, but it's a good feature. Interactive brokers doesn't have anything like that, so it's a good feature to save yourself from yourself, right? So yeah, red day for me. Yesterday also I posted a red day, but it turned out to be a green day, the thumbnail. But I mentioned in the title that from green to red, red to green. So do I have FOMO on this price action? No, but yeah, just something to review. When the RVOL is low, it has increased 77%. But yeah, it's pretty much like if you trade the 1 minute chart, you get faked and chopped up left, right, and center. So definitely 5 minute chart was a lot cleaner. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get off, guys. There's nothing. No point. No point. Waited for a while. I think the only trade worth not even worth. If you look at the daily chart, is it worth catching the hold of S3 for 410? $2 move on Tesla. We all know when this shit moves, it moves nice. So was it worth it? No. Was it worth showing up today? No. Was it worth going red today? No. So yeah, Tesla just doesn't want to go down. It just feels like every time we get near 400, there's just no selling volume on it. And unfortunately for tomorrow as well, I don't see any good setups. So I'm gonna go through my watch list. I mean, depends. We still have approximately 6 hours to before market closes. But MU can be decent tomorrow, maybe. Let's see how the camps set up tomorrow. NVDA can be, yeah, NVIDIA has earnings next week. Then AMD actually has been finding just support right here. What Tesla is doing near 400, AMD is doing near 200. AMD retest of R3 just now for $1 move was a decent play. Looking at the pair price action, it was decent for sure. It was decent. Google PLTR, also BTD, Apple BTD. I mean by the dip. Apple garbage, Meta garbage, Microsoft garbage. Yeah, just looking at the whole watch list, AMD is the only stock that is 1.4% green for the day. Rest everything is like 0.6%, 0.5%. MU is minus 1.17%, mid cap down a lot as well. So yeah, pretty much is like under plus minus 1% most of the stocks that I watch from my stock universe. So yeah, there's nothing much I missed. The only review I'm gonna give myself is that learn to fucking sit on your hands. Tesla downside play. But the thing is, all my 3 trades were towards the upside. That's the thing, right? I saw that the downside is not happening. So I took it towards the upside. So might as well wait for it. My first trade was at 934. So it's not like I traded the open. Second trade was 939. Third trade was 942. And all these 3 trades would have paid nicely had I just been a bit more patient. Oh, again, just patient with the entry as well, right? So not only with the exit, with the entry, basically. But yeah, that is part and parcel. I'm just gonna freaking accept it and get off. It's actually a bit relieving as well that once you reach your daily stop loss for the day, it's like, yes, you can look at the market, watch the market, but just you're just torturing yourself, right? So it's might as well get off your setup, because sometimes if I'm red for the day, I'm just in front of my setup looking for opportunities, but this gives you that you don't have the option to trade. So just get the fuck out, fuck off your setup. And also then it gives you more time before the next trading day, before the next market open, for time for you to settle down a bit. So yeah, thank you for joining in, guys. I'm going to end the webinar. I'm going to end the YouTube video as well. And I will see you guys tomorrow.